This place in America was colder than Antarctica. Yes, colder than the coldest continent on Earth. And this is not a theory. It's a recorded fact. When people hear the word extreme cold, they instantly think about Antarctica, a land of ice, snow, and endless winter. But surprisingly, the coldest temperature ever recorded in the United States was colder than many parts of Antarctica. This unbelievable record was set in Alaska, more specifically, in a remote place called Prospect Creek. At that time, Prospect Creek was not a city or a tourist location. It was a small work camp used during the construction of the Trans-Alaska Pipeline. On January 23, 1971, the temperature dropped to an extreme level. The official measurement showed minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. That equals minus 62 degrees Celsius. This made Prospect Creek one of the coldest inhabited places ever recorded on Earth. At this temperature, breathing itself becomes painful. The moisture in the air can freeze inside your nose. Exposed skin can suffer frostbite in less than 1 minute. Metal becomes fragile. Engines stop working. Fuel thickens like gel. Workers at Prospect Creek described the cold as something unreal. They said the air felt sharp, almost aggressive. Simple outdoor tasks became dangerous. Even walking a short distance required full protective gear. So how did Alaska become colder than Antarctica? The answer lies in geography. Interior Alaska is far from the ocean. There is no warm sea air to regulate the temperature. During winter, cold air sinks into valleys and becomes trapped. At night, heat escapes rapidly into the sky. With clear skies and calm winds, the cold air stays locked in place. This creates a phenomenon called a temperature inversion. Once trapped, the cold intensifies day by day. Antarctica is extremely cold, but many regions are affected by strong coastal winds. These winds can sometimes prevent temperatures from dropping too low. In contrast, interior Alaska can become a frozen bowl with no escape for cold air. That's why, on certain winter days, parts of Alaska can be colder than Antarctica. What makes this story even more shocking is that people actually lived and worked there. This was not an experiment. This was real life, real workers, surviving one of the harshest climates on the planet. Today, Prospect Creek is abandoned. Nature has taken control once again, but the record still stands. The coldest temperature ever recorded in the United States was colder than Antarctica. This proves one thing clearly. America is a land of extremes, from the hottest deserts to freezing temperatures that challenge human survival. And if you enjoy discovering mind-blowing facts like this, make sure to subscribe, because America still has many secrets left to reveal.